Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Choco bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt, I'm a me happy.
Good morning and welcome to our Jamaica vlogs. So the whole squad is here, y'all. Look at my baby. He did amazing. Mommy's here. Somebody are calling me mama. Look at my whole bag. I'm trying to find. It's not that phone. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I'll come back. Alright, y'all. So here go the whole gang. Oh no, come on. Nobody don't want to see her. Nobody don't want to see the school face. We got Shavadon 1. We got AJ done. We got TT done. TT's in sports mode. Come show them a sports mode, TT. Yeah. Kuya, come on, sports mode. We got Kai Kai. We got Mommy and Tintin. Tintin, oh no, Tintin Lena sports more. And this is more. Hey, Ruba. Let's see your fit. Papa? Can you say mama? Mama! Mama! Can I be in the man? My try to catch your ear. Alright guys, we are here. Everybody's here. Yeah. And let me just say this. I am never traveling in a group again. No thank you. It's too much. Too much kids. It's too much. I'm traveling by myself next time. No thank you. Okay? So, yeah, so we are here. Ooh, the heat leaked me. But we're here. Kai, you're in Jamaica. You are in Jamaica, Papa. Don't teach. You're in Jamaica. You already have scrunch up in face. Kai Kai?
Yeah, come out. Hello. Hi.
It's hot, Baba, don't.
What?
Yeah, hot.
Papa, come on.
Oh, am I driving?
Where's Shabda?
Let's have the. Oh, am I deal with the man on the suitcase? Yeah.
So, Mama.
Yeah guys, so it's hot as usual, nothing different. It's just I'm excited to like my grandparents see Kai and stuff, but they came too because they had to bring the truck to bring all our luggages, and then the van we're gonna be in it. Shop friend come pick him up and stuff. So yeah, one vehicle could have well away. So Baba brought his big truck, country style. Talk to y'all already know that I'm a country girl, so we bring the country vibes. But anyway, Kai is hot, you can tell. Me take off his socks them. Wait. Buddha did ready and waiting. Oh, Buddha there. In I pro box? A Buddha in I pro box? So I know where to see mama them.
Nah, leave for them just have to see with them car.
Yeah, boy, you took up his suitcase. Have you did that already?
No, I'm he called me about you.
What? Hey, what did you say? Never used to they run into somewhere? Or am I getting it confused? Oh, one chip. Look at how long ago. Police attack, you know. What am I doing there?
Look at your.
Mister, what am Buddha? What?
Look at checker.
Look. Hey, yeah. It's windy and hot. I know your skin I go red. What do you miss? Look at miss? What are you? You're hot? You're hungry? What's wrong? Tired? What? Nothing? You sure? Okay.
Chap, come here.
Kai Kai.
Tiara. Bad boy. Guy. Hello.
Mama.
Bad boy.
Mama.
What? Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Where your shoes?
Me just take off his socks, them in hot.
What?
You supposed them in my bag. Mama, take your time, smile. Mama. Mama. In the ball, man, he behaved so good today.
Hello. Kai Kai.
Ma watch this. See Mama there.
Tiara. Just going like.
Watch Papa and shove.
The PN machine on it and now on
Papa. Yo, let me not lift him up. Him go in our car.
Kai Kai. Kai Kai.
Who is that? Papa.
Whoa.
Hi.
Hello,
Who is
man.
this?
Hey, Robin.
Take you to Papa.
Yes, man. See the old man, yeah? That's right.
It breeze over there.
Yeah.
In my last, see you out there.
Yeah.
Is he cute?
Yes, man.
Oh. Big.
Step up, man. Yeah, maybe it's in there.
Yeah, my heart is full. I don't want to cry, but like I just met my grandparents. That's one of my biggest things that I wanted, and it happened. But I'm not crying. Happy thought. I mean, it is happy thought, but you know, it'll be tears of joy, not sadness. But we're about to pack up and stuff, get in the vehicle, and we're going to KFC. Everybody hungry, so we got KFC first stop. So I'll check y'all once we pack up. I'm showing the country living because I feel like a lot of y'all appreciate my vlogs just because it's real with the country stuff. So I'm showing up. Papa come with him truck, and we put the suitcase them in the top hall, and I go over it and everything. So. So the suitcases are under the top island, so yeah. And then our vehicle is right there, and Shop's friend, I don't know where his car is, he's right there though, and they're going with him, so we got enough space. Yeah, clean.
Wet.
Me tell you say it turned most of that spill, guys. I'm making a bottle for Kai. He hot and he hungry. I never feel like it yet, boy. Eh? Pampers? Willie Pepper, let's might tell them about Willie Pepper. When I use that one there?
Very wet. Cool.
The finger lick up on the kerosene top. On me. So guys, this is what I brought Kai's formula in. I got 2 of them, so basically 6 feeds. So he already did 2 from this morning until now, so he's on his last one out of this, and I got 1 more. He probably gonna eat again before we get, oh, I forgot to spin it. He's probably gonna eat again before we go to reach Portland. So I'm just making this real quick. Alright. Well, back your baby bag tea. Yeah, so I made his bottle. We stop at airport, Lord. We don't call it as a palisade. We don't call it as a Buddha palisade. What? Palisados. I miss that Buddha. This is the hotel so cool though. Whoa. What is something that want to pick up, Mama? It hung off a diaper bag. I not even see it drop off. I want something that we pick up.
What?
It would.
I don't know where name.
Oh, so what need to do it?
We put it on the fee. I some bug the dip on it.
Oh, if you want long tapali. Oh. Come to think of it, it look like a diaper something drop off. I'm gonna be back dash out. Guys, it's a little chaotic. Where diaper bag? You know, say something drop off. It drop off. So AC nothing on. Guys, I bought a diaper bag thing and it drop off. Drop off 5 diaper bag to like put his dirty diapers in. Or maybe somebody take it off. I can't leave it because the air on. So if you come out there cool. In a diaper bag. It look like it drop off unless somebody take it off. KFC. Everybody wants zinger. Would I buy KFC for no? What cool yeah?
Tim, come.
You can't buy a sister. Sure, you can't buy a sister. Deep on the vlog, I didn't see you really steer. You can't buy a sister one zinger. Alright guys, we're going to KFC because everybody's hungry. So, let's go. Oh.
Let me know.
But AJ and your daddy are twin. But then Q favor them. We prefer AJ. A Tiara dead stamp of Porsche. No put the dirty money on my face, boy. 500 where that can buy.
Nothing.
Not KFC. Mister.
Oh, that's
Yeah, run mister. After my granny too, you know.
Watch it.
Right. Uncle?
Red shadow, I hope it's cream in the bag.
A franny come this way, no?
I should think I'm saying.
You come here watch it. The red look me, but never saw. I hate. Yeah. Get used to it, boy.
Like me.
Everybody, you wait, and everybody's saying fine.
Hey, Papa. If you say I have KFC on the drive, good come and knock up your up on the road.
So no non stop.
We are following the road now.
Alright, then get KFC already. Shaban, yeah. Everything, yeah. guys, we're home finally 4 hours later. Me sleep wholly on our way to Portland. The road is horrible. The road is horrible. Like every time I come it gets worse, and they claim that they're fixing the road. Like people need to stop parading when it's election time and fight for the rights and fight for no forget because the road is horrible. But anyway, I'm gonna go out, go for my cousin Kim right now because I know that Kim's skin up on fire. So I'm gonna grab Kim and come back. Okay, you chill with Papa? Yes. Papa? Yeah. Mommy, I eat guinea. Oh, so Mommy takes it too. She said hello. You ain't sweet? I can't take guinea them?
You have to take the biggest one.
I never see I'm probably clean. I never see Mommy, I see that grab. Nah, staying up my clothes.
That's not working at Paso.
A two twin.
I'll tell them that first. Look, when you come in, no, they're like, they go up on the, then go up on the taxi, they bang.
I'm gonna pray.
Yeah, no, they say them don't
Nice. How are your Lego bees gone already?
Okay, you can't give money for your granny and go.
Go in a bar and come back.
Mommy! When I come back, I'm going to fix him. Yes, sir? Yeah? Yeah,